Hey beauties! Ready for red carpet-inspired tutorials? Kristina Youssef is throwing it down with some fab and sassy hairstyles. Want to see how to do the perfect low messy bun? She starts by curling the hair with a titanium hair straightener. A spritz of hairspray to keep those curls put. A puff of hair powder to add volume. And like Kristina says, when the gown is high neck, def, go with hair up. And I def agree. This is gorgeous. These curls are being curled with a 32mm curling wand. Pro tip, leave the ends out for a more effortless finish. Again, a little powder for texture and volume. She's using a firm hold rubbery gel with a natural finish to ensure no baby hairs come out of place. Smooth and sleek Hollywood waves. Like a Disney princess before a ball. First of all, I know what you're thinking. What curling iron is she using? Well, she is using a 32mm silver bullet easy curl curling iron. This innovative curling iron is supposed to make your life easier by making curling your hair easier. The design helps reduce any strain on your arm and shoulder. After she curls each section, she keeps the coil in place with a duckbill clip. Now let's brush out those ringlets to get those classic vintage waves. Stunning. Hope you loved this video. Which wavy hairstyle is your favorite?